Everything you want will come to you when you get in harmony with it. Bob Proctor's famous quote comes with a hidden message, yet a clear and a strong explanation about the association and confusion between the law of attraction and law of vibration. So today we're here with a famous debate between the law of attraction and the law of vibration, as illustrated by Bob Proctor. Welcome back to Victorious Visions, and before we move into the video, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get a notification for every upload.
When we think of something, when it comes to our mind, let's understand nothing is created or destroyed. We've tuned into something that already is. And rather than let it go, what we want to understand is that there is a place. It's a frequency that we tuned in on, way beyond where we're at in our own consciousness.
Now, before going further in the debate of law of attraction versus law of vibration, let's see what these laws of attraction and vibration really are using Bob Proctor's definitions. The law of attraction defines a phenomenon where we feel and visualize what we want in our life and we will attract it. But at the same time, the law of vibration is the basic law of the universe, which states that the vibration of the same frequency resonate with each other, and by using our imagination into taking our mind to the same frequency of the things we desire, we will attract whatever is on that frequency in our life.
If we can see it in our mind, we can hold it in our hand. We don't want to just let it go. Let's realize if we can see it in our mind, we can hold it in our hand. There is where I want to go. There is a place. This is real. This isn't just some fancy idea.
Keep watching to find out how to incorporate these laws into your daily habits. The law of attraction is one of the most widely known and important laws of the universe that people are coming across to learn and use these days. After the best-selling book, The Secret by Bob Proctor, many people have come to understand about the law of attraction, but sadly, most people don't know how to make it work. According to Bob, in order to attract the goods that we ask for in life, the vibration we transfer to the universe must be in agreement with what we want. In other terms, we must include feelings and emotions that produce the vibration that's in harmony with our dreams. This is why Bob frequently says that we need to fall in love with what we ask. When we are in love with someone or a commodity, our thoughts, feelings and behavior are operating on the same frequency with what we ask. So is there any hierarchy to these laws? So when we look forward to the debate of law of attraction versus law of vibration, a realization comes forward by the understanding of the definitions of law of attraction and vibration.
You know, we're frequently asked about the law of attraction. And the law of attraction really is misunderstood by most people. They really are. The Secret, it was a phenomenal success. It went viral, of course. 500 million people have watched it all over the world. And it was about the law of attraction. So everybody thinks they understand the law of attraction because they watch The Secret. Watching The Secret does not educate you on the law of attraction. What it does, it creates an awareness that there is such a law. What we have to understand is that it's a secondary law. Now, what do we mean by that? Well, there's a primary law called the law of vibration. The law of vibration decrees that everything in this universe moves. Nothing rests. The body in a coffin is moving. You're probably thinking this guy's smoking something. Listen, if the body in a coffin wasn't moving, how would it ever change to dust? It's always moving. It's always vibrating. Everything vibrates. We live in an ocean of motion. Take a microscope and look at a solid wall. It's not solid. It only appears to be solid. A perception problem there. You'll see the wall moving right in front of your eyes. There's a particle of energy and they're dancing right before your eyes. That's the law of vibration. The law of vibration decrees everything moves, nothing rests. We literally live in an ocean of motion.
Attraction is definitely a law, but it is a secondary law, as the primary law is a law of vibration, which means the law of vibration is the basic law that states everything in the universe is moving. In Bob's own words, the law of vibration is one of the basic laws of the universe. It decrees that everything moves, nothing rests, and we literally live in an ocean of motion. This definition can be understood in a simple way by understanding that the law of vibration is the fundamental principle simply because everything is made of energy. For example, we all know that our body is made of cells, and cells are made with molecules and atoms, and what creates atoms and molecules are the energies, which are vibrating at different frequencies. Therefore, according to the law of vibration, we activate our brain cells and set up a vibration in our body every time that we think. And as per the law of attraction, the vibration we currently have dictate what we will attract in our lives as a consequence. This is why it's often said that worries and troubles attract bad energy, along with manifesting our fears in our lives, proving the statement, you will become what you think about most of the time. So when we combine the law of attraction and the law of vibration, we come to an understanding of how our mind works in harmony with the university. Our feelings and emotions are important in helping our vibration be at the right frequencies and hence attract the things that we want in life. Don't go anywhere if you want to know exactly how you can keep yourself attuned to the higher frequencies. Given the state of the world that we are in today and our predisposition towards bad news, staying in a sane and happy mindset forever is completely impossible. We have some advice on how to raise and improve your vibration before we discuss more about the topic of law of attraction. The first and most crucial step for this is paying attention to our feelings, how we feel at each moment, because there is no point in mentioning that we want to be rich, prosperous and happy and not feeling it, because if we do not feel it, we'll never be able to attract it. And this is the main reason most people fail with the basic law of vibration and they never reach the stage of attraction. So here are some tips on what to do when you're feeling sad, emotional or negative and not able to raise your vibration. Number 1. Writing down the feelings of gratitude for the things you feel thankful for in your life. Number 2. Listening to the music of your taste that inspires you and cheers your mood, as music is one of the easiest ways to raise your vibration. Number 3. Take a walk with yourself in nature. Enjoy some quality time with you, trees, the wind, the soil and nature to make you feel pleasant and you will feel good. Number 4. Sending love to everyone, even those as well who bother you. Because giving something instantly raises your vibration and you end up attracting the most of what you give. Example, giving love will attract you love, while giving hate will attract you hate. Hence, choose wisely. Remembering what the law of vibration says will help you stay mindful of your thoughts and actions. It's your feelings and emotions that control the vibration that you're in, and it's your vibration that you send out to the universe, not your thoughts, in order to fulfill the law of attraction. Our thoughts alone are never enough in helping us attract the things we want in our life, because we need to feel their presence as well. And feeling the presence of the things we desire is like stepping on the first step of attraction. That is setting your vibrations. As Bob Proctor also said, go where you feel comfortable. Do what makes you feel good. Because when we're in love with and passionate about what we do and what we desire, the universe definitely receives our message and gives us more of what we request for. This is the biggest secret behind the success of passionate people who love their work. They never have to feel the burden of working again, as they spend their whole life in wonderful vibration while enjoying their work. And this is the very thing that's the fundamental law of attraction, with the realization of what we really want in our lives and raising our vibration to have a fulfilling life. Stay tuned to discover the counterpart of these laws we have discovered so far. Moving ahead, let's take an insightful look at how you can create the conditions necessary to attract your desires into your life. As we've already seen, according to Bob, the law of attraction is a secondary step, and to reach this step, we need to set our vibration in the same frequency of the things we desire. So how do you go about doing that? According to Bob Proctor, the tip is really to keep yourself feeling good. That will lead you to good vibrations, and ultimately, you're going to attract good stuff. You just magnetize yourself to stuff. The law of polarity is very helpful in a scenario where you might be struggling to keep a positive outlook due to the negative situation surrounding you. It's the law of polarity that decrees that everything has an opposite. It's the concept behind hot and cold, good and bad, or just any opposing ideas you can think of. By understanding this law, you can easily reset your emotions by reminding yourself that there's always something opposite to your situation that exists in this universe. So if you're feeling bad, There is always something good waiting for you. You just have to believe and look for it. If you still find it too hard to look past your challenging circumstances and adjust your mood, Bob Proctor has suggested of some ways for that too. Well, there are all kinds of ways to feel good. You can think of something delightful. You can also do something kind for somebody or help somebody out somewhere. You can even share a good idea. All these actions can help you to start feel good, and when you're feeling good, you're in a good vibration. You're going to attract good stuff too. So always remember, it's your vibration that ends up attracting the things with whom you match your frequency. So stay happy, do something you like, and try to keep your vibrations high and attract everything you want in your life. That's all for this video. You have the right perspective and attitude towards wealth if you work on embodying these reminders. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Victorious Visions, and we'll be back with a new video.